Hello and welcome back to Tech Talks today. We are here for episode 1 of our C++ journey, and today we'll get our hands a little dirty by setting up our coding workspace. Are you excited? Let's dive in. In our kickoff episode, we explored what C++ is and why it is a brilliant starting point for new programmers. Now, to get started with coding, we require a tool called an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. You can think of the IDE as our personal laboratory, where we will create, test, and refine our code. For our journey, we will be using VS Code, often referred as Visual Studio Code. It is a free, open-source IDE that is widely used by developers due to its simplicity and a vast array of extensions that can help you code in multiple languages. So, let's get VS Code installed. Okay, and now we'll have to go to Visual Studio website in order to download the VS Code. So we can go there just by writing code.visualstudio.com/downloads. Or you can just click on the link in the description to get just redirected to that website. And now we can just download the VS Code over here. If you have Windows, you can click on that button. You have Linux, you can click over here. And if you have Mac OS, you can click over here. So at the moment, I'm using Mac OS, so I'll click here. Right now, we'll have to select where to download VS Code. I'll just download it on the desktop. And now you can just install VS Code wherever you want to. After installing VS Code, we'll have to install 2 extensions. And it is possible to install those extensions by clicking over here on the extension button. And right now we'll have to write code runner and install that one. After successfully installing that one, we'll have to install the other thing, which is C/C++ extension pack. Now, to test VS Code, we'll create a new file. We can click on File, New Text File, and now we'll have to write #include iOS stream using namespace std int main return 0 count hello world handle. Now we'll have to save that file. I'll name it as hello world. For now, I will not explain what each line does. I'll explain that in some other video because you don't have enough knowledge yet. And now we can test it by clicking over here. And we can see hello world. It outputs the hello world. This means that everything went successfully. I want to thank you for following along in this setup process. In the next episode, we will be diving right into C++ and writing our first lines of code. It's going to be a thrilling ride. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share it, and ensure you're subscribed for more enlightening tutorials in C++ journey.